Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. This is the 2012 Toyota Highlander. This window, this is a body junction box or BCM. It's control door lock, unlock. You see some fuses here. This piece here went bad. And the problem that when you go bad, door lock, unlock doesn't work. You see here, like now, I see door lock, unlock working. It doesn't work. So what we did is, we found this one. The dealer is discontinued. We found it from eBay. We lucky that the dealer have it for $600-700. We found for $100. We put it in now. If you notice, look here, the door. As soon as you try to move the car to shift, you see the shift. If you drive or park, you park it, lock. You see, like as soon as you come out of the park, the door lock. The customer doesn't want this one. So what I need to do is, let's go here, see if we can change this, configuration. I'm gonna go to diagnose. From diagnose, go to by VIN, auto detect. I'm gonna calculate the information. Just give me a couple of seconds. This is Toyota Asia. Okay, we say okay. North America, say yes. Okay, I gotta go here. Don't go anywhere, no diagnose. Go to programming customization and go to wireless door lock. No, go to lock, and then you wait a little bit. This one will take about a minute and it will open you a configuration data. So let's see, can we do something? Okay, see here, unlock key twice. Say off. Okay, auto lock off. Auto lock shift. Auto lock shift. Off. Auto unlock shift. Off. All unlock open door. Let me see now. Say okay. So everything is off, off, off. Let's see what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna take the key off. Let me open the door, close it, put the key in the ignition. Nothing. Okay. Lock it. Unlock. Lock, unlock. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Before even when you close it, you're gonna hear tick, 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 tick. You see, I gotta open it. Let me lock it. 2 times. Lock it. Unlock it. Now let me see. Lock it. You cannot lock it when the door is open. Perfect. I can't do nothing more than this. I hear a little bit of tick tick whenever you lock the door. Escape. Wireless door lock, I want to see how it's working. Wireless control, hazard answer back, wireless beep, open door warning, unlock 2 operation, panic on, auto lock time 60 seconds, wireless auto lock on, wireless glass hatch open, long one. Okay, I'm gonna escape this. I cannot do anything more than this one. Please subscribe, share and like, and if you have any idea, please give it to us. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you. Also, this one, nothing. See? Okay, it make a little bit of response. I don't know why, but I don't want to go through that one. Please subscribe, share and like, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.